In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Dropbox. We'll walk through two simple ways to get your images into Dropbox. First, using the website in your browser, and then using the desktop app through your computer's file explorer. Follow along and choose the method that fits your workflow best. Let's start with the web method. Open your browser and log in to dropbox.com. Once you're in, navigate to the folder where you want the image to live. It's worth taking a second to double check you're in the right folder before uploading, so you won't need to move files later. In the top right corner, click the blue Upload button and choose Files. A file picker window will open. Browse to the image on your computer, click it to select it, and confirm to upload. If you need to add more than one image at a time, you can select multiple files in that window before confirming. After you start the upload, give it a moment to finish. Larger images and slower connections can take longer, so avoid closing the tab until you see the upload complete. This method works well with common image formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF. If the layout looks a little different on your screen, don't worry. Dropbox sometimes updates its interface, but the upload button and files option will still be available. Now let's look at the desktop app method, which is great if you prefer working directly in your operating system. Open your computer's file explorer, locate the image you want to upload on your device. In the left panel of your file explorer, find the Dropbox section. Click into the specific Dropbox folder where you want the image to go, so you're placing it exactly where it belongs. Next, click and hold your image, then drag it into that Dropbox folder and release. You'll usually see a small sync icon appear on or near the file. Wait for the green check mark to show up. This is your confirmation that the image has fully synced to your Dropbox account. If you see a blue syncing icon, it's still in progress. If you see a cloud icon, it may be pending upload until a connection is available. So keeping your internet connection active helps everything finish smoothly. That's it. Two straightforward ways to upload your images to Dropbox, either through the website or directly from your desktop. Choose the one that feels most convenient for your setup, and you'll have your photos safely stored and accessible across your devices. Thanks for watching.